Hello.
All right, ready?
Oh, it's been recording. Yeah.
Hey everyone, good morning. I'm
I
Joe.
don't like that. Do it again.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joe.
And I'm Liz. And we are coming to you live from sort of live. It'll be edited. It's
Coming
never
to you
live.
live recording. It's a live recording.
Do it again.
Start over?
Yeah.
All right, damn it. Good morning, everyone.
Nope. We lost. Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joe.
And I'm Liz. And we're coming to you from TSA, Texas Sign Association, if you don't know, not the airport one. And this is the trade show for the year. This is exciting. And as you know, at Behind the Signs, we're really big on joining your local
Sign Association for
Why
sure.
is that?
Well, membership matters, right? That's our big push. Where we have been involved, Liz and I personally, with International Sign Association and Texas Sign Association and others over the years. And I'll tell you one thing, Liz, most importantly, is that you get to build relationships when you're here.
Absolutely.
You get to meet your fellow comrades from the Sign Association, which is great. And you don't often get to do that when the sign shop down the street is competing with you. But you come to a show like this and you get to meet other sign shop owners or people that are designers or whatever in the industry and get to talk about the things that are exciting to you or things that are challenging you. So it's a great place to make connections, not to mention all the vendors that are here, all the new technology. So
What it comes down to is membership matters.
Membership does
Join
matter.
your association.
Yes.
Join International Sign Association and use these resources that are available to
Yes.
you.
So we're looking forward to the show today. We're going to pull a lot of people into the booth to say hello and introduce themselves. So we will see you in just a little bit.
See you soon.
Bye.
We got George over here with TSA.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, George.
How you
Okay.
doing?
Do you want me in it or not in it?
I want you right next to George.
Hi, George. I'm going to stand next to you.
That's all right. Great.
All right.
Happy.
Okay. So we're here with George with TSA. We're just going around and asking people to give us their 60-second spiel. So why should people come to TSA?
Oh gosh, well this is one of the best things that the sign industry does in the state of Texas. I'm 5.5 years into this, owning a sign company, and man, we joined the association day one, and man, the networking opportunities, the relationship with vendors, the advocacy that we do inside of the state of Texas is really, it's amazing. It's a game changer for our industry. And so everything from training to meeting great people to having a great time together, man, I can't think of a better thing for business owners and employees to be a part of than TSA.
Awesome. Thank you so much, George. It was great hanging out with you.
Hey, thanks for coming
Yeah.
around.
Thanks, guys. Hey, guys. I'm here at Reece Supply with Caroline, and she's going to tell you a little bit about them.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Caroline. I'm Director of Business Development at Reece Supply, and we are here at the 2026 TSA event, so Texas Sign Association. We've got our booth here, nice and red, and we are celebrating our 90th anniversary this year. So Reece Supply is a distributor to the sign, screen printing, and digital printing industries. We also have paint, and we are fourth generation family owned, so it's been very special to be here with family and our employees who have been wonderful, wonderful resources for not only each other, but customers in the industry. And we've got plenty of hats.
Oh, I'm going to model it.
She's gonna model it. Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect. But events like this are super important because you get to get one-on-one time with distributors, vendors, and we've got tons of resources here like collateral and literature. There are seminars, there's receptions and dinners, so there's plenty of networking opportunity and plenty of people in this event that have decades and decades of experience to help you in your shop, and everyone is so friendly and gives each other advice, and it's just a very welcoming industry. So we're absolutely thrilled to be able to celebrate 90 years and continue serving the industry.
That is so amazing, Caroline. Congratulations on 90 years. And I have said it before, I will say it again. If you only come to the show to get updated sample books, Reece is one of your stops.
Yes, we've got plenty.
You've got all of them, and it's the best place to get them.
Thanks. Yeah. We come stocked.
You do. Well, thank you, Caroline, for your time, and this is why you should see us at the next TSA Expo. See you soon.
See ya.
All right, guys, we're here at TSA, and I am here with Brian from ClarityGo Signs. Brian, tell me how the show's going.
Show's going great. Brian with ClarityGo Sign. We're here. We love the TSA. We love the South. We love taking care of customers and serving them because first and foremost, customers come first.
Thank you so much, Brian. You can call Brian for all your ADA needs, as you saw, and we will see you at the next booth. Okay, guys, now we're going to go visit A&C Plastics, a very useful resource. Hi, Cyrus.
Oh, hi there.
I'm Liz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm going to hand this mic over to you and let you tell us all about A&C Plastics.
Perfect. Well, it's nice to meet you. My name is Cyrus at ANC. And then, so we primarily deal with, acrylic sheeting, polycarbonate sheeting, everything, all the plastic substrates for signage. We carry hard to find colors, hard to find thicknesses and sizes. And so we're located primarily in Houston. We do, obviously, daily deliveries in Houston, also in Colorado Springs and Illinois. And then, we also ship all over the U.S., of course. And so you can kind of see the different, kind of colors we carry. We have the all the different hard to find colors as well as the colored polycarbonates. And another cool thing we have is pastel acrylics for, kind of different businesses and stuff. Also glitter acrylics for, wedding venues and stuff like that. And so. That's kind of what we do primarily, and you guys do that. You guys make signs, of course, correct?
We do. Because I like you, that there is a booth 2 down that has a lot of cookies.
Ooh. Oh, you are very kind.
Yeah, lemon, white chocolate. Thank you, girl.
To go make a trip.
Elrod Engineering, and she really wants people to take them.
Okay. Well, I do change.
2 rows over, almost in this same spot, but on that side.
That's very nice of you, Kelly.
Yes, very important flag right here. All right, guys, the most important stop of the day. We're here at Elrod Engineering in SignCalc.com, and they have cookies. They also, though, have Holly, who's going to tell us a bit about what she does.
Hi, I'm Holly. Elrod Engineering, we do structural engineering, so anything from your foundation size, pole size, attachment, anything to get your permit. And then we also have SignCalc.com, which is a fully automated estimating service that's free to use. Put in all your information. It's going to give you your steel size and your foundation depth, and then you can order engineering off of it also for $200, and then 24 hours your sealed engineering's uploaded for you. So come on by, get a cookie, and learn more.
Yep. Okay, guys, I'm here with Beth and Julie with the Texas Comp Group, right? TSA Comp Group. Oh, I got it so close. Anyway, so they are obviously going to be the ones to tell you what it's all about because they know the name of it. I'm going to hand the mic over and let them tell you about it.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate the opportunity to ever explain what a great member benefit this is. As a member of the Texas Sign Association, you are eligible through your insurance agent to apply for workers' compensation through Texas Mutual. Beth is the leader of Texas Mutual. She's the one who personally wrote that check for us. And I know that would make you laugh. But what it will do is it will save you money on your workers' compensation, give you a lower upfront pricing, and pay you dividends if you're safe, which is obviously what all of our goals are. So please come see us at the booth. We have really cool stuff that we give out. We can explain it in more detail and help you connect the dots. It will pay for your membership to come and see us.
100%. Great. There's really not much more to say. I am Beth. I'm with Texas Mutual Insurance. We are the state's largest provider of workers' compensation. That is insurance that helps pay for, payroll when you're out getting better and hopefully getting rehabilitated back to work. So we would love to see you come on by and hear a little bit more about the Texas Sign Association Safety Group. Thanks.
Beth and Julie, thank you so much. I know I will be emailing you on Monday.
There you go.
We look forward to talking to you more. Have a great show. Thank you
so much.
All right, I am here with Russell Toynes. We're doing a little aisle snagging today.
Hey, how are
Russell,
y'all?
take a few minutes to introduce yourself, your company, and what brought you to TSA today.
Well, my name is Russell Toynes. I am the co-owner and founder of Studio Zoe, a multidisciplinary design studio based in Austin, Texas, and we are excited to be at Texas Sign Association's Expo. Last night there was an amazing dinner. Congratulations, Joe, on the Daniel P. Zock Award.
Thank you. Hope I can live up to it.
Oh, absolutely. I think you already have.
Oh, well, thanks. So anyway, what see any cool technology, anything new at the show, or anything especially you're looking at?
I'm just getting in. What I'm especially looking at is a little bit of lunch right now because I am hungry. But no, I'm just getting in, and I see some friends, some people in the industry, and some new faces. So I'm gonna do a couple laps, grab some candy and some lunch, and enjoy myself this afternoon.
Great, Russ. Thanks for popping in.
Thank you.
See you soon.
I'm here with Bill with Hotchkiss Insurance, and this is just another reason you guys should come to your local Sign Expo, especially TSA, because there are so many resources available to you, and I'm going to let Bill tell me a little bit about his resource.
We work with probably close to 100 sign companies. When it comes to insurance, it's something that everyone has to have. And we always start with, hey, what are the contracts, that you sign dictate, what coverages you need. So we kind of start there, and then we kind of, look at people's individual risk tolerance. Some people are, I want to insure every doorknob, and some are like, man, just give me the minimum, and, let's rock and roll. But it's always different, and it's always fun. We try to make light of the situation that sometimes isn't really fun.
Yeah. Absolutely. And again, insurance. We all need it. And sometimes when you come to the expo, there are resources available to you that you wouldn't know about otherwise. So make sure to join your local sign association and meet people like Bill. Have a great show, Bill. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're here with Don with LexJet, and he's going to tell us all about why you should come and see him.
Yeah, so LexJet's been in the business for 32 years, very big on the printing side, very consultative, very sell with you instead of sell to you type mentality. And then we realized about a year ago that we sell all the same products that the sign industry sells. Your Orifals, your Avery, your Arlon, EFI, Canon, Mamaki. And we said, we're really big on the printing industry. They respect us and love us, but we need to get out into an industry that's really dying for the consultative, the old school approach. So we joined ISA for the first time. We joined Texas Sign Association and 3 other associations for the first time, and we're looking forward to getting here and blending into the sign industry. I've been in the sign industry for 29 years. So when I joined LexJet, they brought me in to pull them into what I consider the greatest world, the sign industry. So we're very excited to be here. We're very excited to be here.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Don, for sharing with us. And obviously you hear that membership matters.
Well, it does, and we appreciate what you all do for the industry. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Don.
Bye now.
Hey guys, I'm here with Rodney with Orifal, and he's going to tell us all about Orifal.
How you doing? Thanks for having me. So Orifal manufactures pressure-sensitive vinyls. We've got a full line of products for the sign industry, everything from reflectives to cast digital films to opaque vinyls to translucents. We also manufacture UHB tapes. We've got a full range of products for the sign industry, so come to TSA and see us and learn about our products.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rodney. Have a great show.
You too.
Hey everyone, I am here with Jeanette. Jeanette, tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and what brought you to TSA.
Well, I stumbled upon the sign industry about 6 years ago. I worked for a sign supplier that was very small at the time, and it grew to be this big, huge company. This is my third TSA that I go to. This is my first time coming as a sign company and not a vendor. And I just came to catch up with, old folks that I've known since I've been in this industry and introduce my company as well.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So what kind of products and signs do you do?
I do all the signs just because I do outsource everything.
Great.
So I just sell and, I help people connect with people that can, bring them the service that they're looking for.
Well, great. Well, thank you for letting me aisle snag you today and introduce you to the Behind the Signs community. So glad that you're here at TSA and part of Behind the Signs.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys, we're here with Cole with 3M, and I'm sure you have all heard of 3M, but Cole's going to tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me on here. My name's Cole. I'm the vinyl rep for 3M here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And as you can see here, we have all of our vinyl offerings. It's really important here for the Texas Sign Association, our translucent films. Very good for all your backlit signage. We have our color cars and our vehicle wrap material as well as our cut vinyl. So we have all the vinyl offerings here and great quality, and glad to be part of the Texas Sign Association. So thanks for having me.
All right, guys, I'm here today with David Hickey with ISA, and he's going to tell you a little bit about ISA.
Thanks, Elizabeth. Well, we're the International Sign Association. We represent the on-premise sign industry. I'm here at the TSA conference and show to spread the word about how ISA can help TSA member companies, how we can work together on key issues affecting them, especially permitting and sign code issues. There are some really restrictive sign codes in Houston and other Texas jurisdictions that we hope that we can work on together. But ISA also offers lots of other benefits to member companies. So if you're a TSA member, you automatically become an ISA member. And then you get all these benefits that we have here, right? Our free advocacy services. We have educational LMS online offerings for onboarding, to educate your customers, to learn more about how to be a more professional sign company. We have our networking events. You all know about Expo. We also have Converge coming up. We have our install events. We also have just all sorts of ways that sign companies can use ISA, our staff, our benefits, our services to improve their bottom line.
Amazing. Well, as you guys know, we're really big on membership matters, and ISA is the membership that matters. So listen to David and join ISA. Thank you so much, David.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. All right, guys, next up we have PJ. You've seen him before. He's with Cirrus Systems, and he's going to tell you a little bit about them and why you should be here.
Hey, how's it going, Liz?
Great.
So good to see you and Joe. It's Joe again. Hey, yeah, so I'm PJ with Cirrus LED. I'm the territory sales manager for Texas. We try to come to TSA every year. This is such a great event, such good people, really good networking event, a lot of stuff to learn here. These are a lot of industry lifers here, so this is just such a great experience to be here. But Cirrus LED, we're a manufacturer of electronic message centers. So we manufacture electronic message centers in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. We've also got some software. We've got our proprietary software for the CMS content, as well as lead generation. Now we're handing leads off to sign shops, so we've got a ton of leads out there for all the sign shops that are interested. Please reach out to us. You can reach us at cirrusled.com or just reach us on the main line.
Hey guys, our next stop is the Glance booth, and I'm here with Jake, and he's going to tell you a little bit about Glance.
Hi, I'm Jake. I'm with Glance. We've been around for 120 years. We are an electrical sign distributor. We sell all the major hitters: Orifal, Arlon, 3M, Avery. We're your one-stop shop for aluminum, LED modules, power supplies. Check us out. We'd love to have you.
Thank you so much, Jake. That was perfect. We appreciate you, and we'll see you at the next one.